Hey sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza Jayne, and some of you may also know me as Liza Locks. I have to admit, it's getting a little bit tricky around here to film with so many people home. We are staying home. My husband is laid off and all the kids are here, 4 of them, ages 6 to 24. And so it is a full wild house right now. And anyway, I found a quiet place, and today I thought it would be fun because I received the most beautiful gift from my beautiful friends at the Dreadshop. If you have not checked out their YouTube or their Instagram, please do so. They are amazing. They were part of my journey when I began, and I love Renata, and they just do wonderful things. All the girls do over there, and so please check them out. The Dreadshop and I decided it was time for another collaboration. I don't know if you saw my last one. I will show you pictures right here of my last collaboration with them, and it was so much fun because they took my input of what I wanted and they created a set of locks, and we did it again. We have an accent set, and what I told them, they're brilliant, because all I said was I wanted different blondes with a touch of blue, and I wanted it very beachy, very summer, bohemian of course, and I think they nailed it. This set is gorgeous. You will be able to buy on their website the Liza Locks accent set, and I hope you guys love them as much as me. And I wanted to show you, now you could use these as braid-in extensions. I showed you that in the video before, where you could just add a row or two of peekaboos. If you're not sure if you want to take the plunge or not to real dreadlocks, this is a fabulous way to try dreadlocks out, and they have a ton of sets that you can pick what suits you and your style. What I am going to do with this gorgeous set is I'm going to add them for volume. This is a great way to do it. A lot of people mention the back of their head or the side or one side not being as full as the rest. And this is a great way to add volume to kind of disguise those areas that maybe you're not as in love with as you would like to be. And this is a very simple way to do it. I have made a video about this before, but not with this gorgeous thread set. So let's try it out, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is. So these are synthetic locks, and these are also single-ended. So you'll see some sometimes that are more like this, and they might have a loop on top, and those are called double-ended. These are just one, they are single-ended, and these are great. You can use these with locked hair or unlocked hair. I am going to show you how super easy it is to add them to your locks. So what I like to do is I like to take the end and I take it right through this hole right here, and then you pull it through itself, and what you're creating is a loop that you can make as snug as you want it to be or as loose as you want it to be. So then what you do is you just take a lock. Doesn't matter which one you take. But remember, if you have areas that you're more self-conscious of, go to those areas first. And then you just pull it. That's all you do. You slide it up and pull it on. And look at that. I'm going to keep going. So all I'm going to do is take this guy, pull it through the middle, up, pick another place, pull my dreadlock through there, through the hole. You guys, it is that easy. Then you just tighten it to where it feels good. Oh, look at this one. It's ombre. So gorgeous. And it has a little detailing in it. So then you're going to take this through, pull it through itself. I try not to put these on the very bottom row if I know I'm going to do a lot of updos, because I don't like this little end to show. Not that it really matters, but just something to keep in mind, that if you like to wear ponytails or if you like to wear a bun, that you might want to put those on the second row and up, just so that they don't show. Look at how it's adding so much beauty. And this is a great way too, that if you don't like to take decorations in and out all the time, they're already decorated. They're decorated for you, so you don't even have to worry about that. I think this is the perfect size accent set, because if you do have your own locks and say they're under a year or two old, I don't think you want to add too many more synthetics for volume. I think it's just a lot of weight on your neck, on your head, and on your locks. So this is the perfect amount. Any more than that is kind of overkill, unless you're gonna, just wear them for a party or a concert or something like that. Just be, conscious of, how much stress you put on your locks and your neck and your head. I know you can't see the ones that I'm doing in the back, but I do want to make sure I get back there, because that is an area that can look sparse. And I know a lot of us think about that and deal with that. So I am going to make sure that mine is nice and full in the back. Trying to vary where I put different things. Slip it through. So easy, you guys. Pull it on, make it tighter. So I hope you guys are doing well with staying home and everything that's going on right now, no matter what part of the world you're in. I've had a lot of people ask me how we're doing, and we're doing good. It's a new normal for now, isn't it? And oh, look at how sweet this is. It's such a delicate little blue feather. Oh my gosh, I love that touch. So we're just doing like everybody else, just hanging in there and, trying to make memories and trying not to, let our fears and worries, take over. I think it's important to breathe through this time and realize that we will get through it. I feel like it helps to know we're not alone with everybody going through it too. And I think that almost helps in some way. Unfortunate as it is, to know that we're not alone and we have each other and we should be checking on each other. Oh, this is so cute. It says made with love. Isn't that adorable? I'm absolutely in love with this set. I can't even tell you. Do you notice that my hair is getting fuller and fuller? So anyway, and just to go back to it, I hope you guys are doing well. The only things you need to do right now, because I'm not one of those people that's like, get it all done, write a book, read 20 books. I think that you need to take care of you, and that is just number one. And whatever feels good and helps you get through it, and you need to check in with people that you love and that love you. I think that reaching out right now to others is important, not only for you and your well-being, but for them to hear from you and know that you're thinking of them. I think that's really important right now as we all go through this. So take care of you and take care of the ones you love. I think that is what's best right now. I love these. I love their attention to detail on these. Renata is like the queen of synthetics, and there's a reason for that. She is fabulous at what she does. I'm trying to decide where I want this braid. Okay, because look at this. Check this out. So sweet. There's a feather at the bottom and a little tiny feather right there. And then I think I'm supposed to tie it with this. I could be wrong, but I think so. Almost wonder. On something like this, I would think we could either clip it or wrap it around a lock. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to wrap it around one of these synthetic locks so that I know it's not too tight on one of my own, which you could totally put it on one of your own, but I think I'm just going to put it on a synthetic so that I'm not worried about it, being too tight or getting stuck or anything like that. We'll just put it on this one just like that, and it'll be perfect. Cute. Now to decide where we put that one. I think I'm going to put it on a bigger lock right here. So obviously the lower you put them, the longer they will be. And this can help also for length. So don't forget about that too. You can add them for length. This one's just a little bit longer than the rest because I put it so low. So I'm probably going to equal it out and put a few more low. I don't often wear my hair up, so it'll be fine. I love this one. It's a little shell. I'm gonna put that right through. Everything fits through this, so it makes it nice and easy. Look how full it's getting. I love it. Now everybody's gonna ask how much heavier it is. You do feel the weight, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like synthetics weigh more than human hair, and some people say the opposite, but I feel like they weigh more. Especially, I used to have them in my hair for 2 to 3 months at a time, and when I'd wash them, holy moly, they'd get heavy. I will take these out every time I wash my hair. There's no reason to keep them in and have to, you know, wash them and do all that. So yeah, I would take them out every time. When I had them before, I left them in because they were more permanently attached for volume, and that was a lot. It was a lot on my head. This is kind of the best of both worlds. Of course, if you had these as braid-in extensions and you were trying them out for yourself and seeing if you like locks, you would just leave them in and you could wash your hair every couple weeks. You know, depending, you might be able to leave them in for 6 to 8 weeks. I'm gonna put this right in here. It's my last one. Tighten that baby up. And you can see, I think I might have to raise this one a little. It's way too short. It's gonna drive me nuts. I can't have it so much longer than the others. So I'm gonna show you how you take it out. All you do is you pull. That's it. You just pull the one side, make it free. And do you see the volume that it's created? Pretty crazy, huh? I'm gonna try to show you without knocking over my camera because it is bouncing on my bed. It's shaking right now. Do you guys see all that volume it created and how beautiful these accents really are? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel. As always, you can find me on Instagram, Liza_locs. You can find the Dreadshop at dreadshop.com. Also, they are on Instagram at Dreadshop.